Hi guys, it's Raven Shay, and I just received this Kojic acid soap. It's a dark spot remover and it's good for your face and your body. So let me get ready to open it. It comes with 2 bars of soap. And it also comes with the soap holder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try it, open one up and try it on my face. This is how it looks when you open it. Oh, it smells like a little lemony. It has a little lemon smell to it. Hold on, I'm gonna put some on my face. Trying it on my hands first. Oh, I love the smell of this soap. I really like the smell of this soap. I'm gonna put it on my face. Feels good. So what's so good about it is you can use it on your face and your body. Let me go ahead and rinse it off really quick. This actually makes my skin feel real refreshed. I really like this. And my skin feels very good. I like the way this feels. Feels really fresh. It feels real fresh. It's non-irritating. And I give it a 9 out of 10. I really like this.